Hello, this is Wylock third grade worksheet lesson 5. Okay, we're gonna start off with some addition here. So use addition to find the sum. So it's basically all money. So we're gonna be involved with some decimals here. We're gonna do 2, 1, 2, and 5 and 6 because each has a different pattern problem. So number one, $15.67 plus $41.23. So we're gonna start off with the cents here. So 7 plus 3 is 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 2 is 9. And then we're going to add the decimal point at the exact same place. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 1 plus 4 is 5. And don't forget to add the units. So $56.90 or 56.90 is going to be our answer for number one. Number two, 36.15 plus 24.79 or $36.15 plus $24.79. We're going to start off with the cents here. So 5 plus 9, so like 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 7 is 9. Have that. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 plus 2. That equals 6. So $60.94 is going to be your answer for number 2. Moving on, we're going to do 5. Instead of 2, like these problems, there's 3. So 16.02 plus $12.12 plus $24.95. So 2 plus 2, so that equals 4. Plus 5 is 9. Because of 0 plus 1 plus 9, that equals 10. So carry the 1. So it's 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So $53.09 is going to be your final answer for number 5. Number 6, 69.23 or $69.23 plus $45.83 plus $68.19. So start off the cents here is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 9, and that should equal a 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 1 is 12. So carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 8 should be 23. So carry the 1. The 2 here. So 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 6 is 18. So your final answer should be $183.25. All right, moving on. We're gonna do two of the equal sign equations and two of the not equal. So write plus sign plus or minus sign minus to complete the number sentence. Not equal is a symbol for not equal to. So one with the cross. So we have to guess, or not really guess. We can like solve for like which problem will will equal 110 or 111. So first we're gonna try like subtraction. So 85 minus 26. So 15, 9, subtract 1, so 7 plus 2 is 5. So if you put the subtraction sign, it does not equal 59. So that's not going to be the answer. So it'd be, let's try 85 plus 26. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So plus is going to be your answer due to 85 plus 26 equaling 111. Our number 2, 126 uh 86 equals 40. So we're gonna try minus. So 126 minus 86. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 12. Cross that off. So 12 minus 8 is 4. So 40 is gonna be your answer. So minus is gonna be the answer for this problem. All right. Number 6. Instead of like looking for like the equal answer, we're looking for the not equal answer. So 235 blank 155 does not equal to 390. So it's not supposed to equal 390. So let's try add. So 155. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 5 is 9. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So since this equals 390, it's not the answer because we're looking for an answer that doesn't equal. So let's try subtraction. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 5, cross falling off. 13, 8. So this is not equal to 390. So subtraction is going to be answer for number 6. Number 7. We're gonna try 863 blank 123 equals 740. So we're gonna try multiplication or addition. So 6, 8, 9. So if we use addition, it equals 986, not 740, which is subtraction. This would be the answer. So addition is gonna be the answer for this problem. All right, moving on to these problems. All right, so you're gonna do 1, 2, 7, and 8. All right, so use subtraction to find the missing atom. So it's like the missing value in the center. So in order to find this, we could just subtract 89 minus 24. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 89 minus 65 should equal 24. So that's going to be your answer for number 1. Number 2, 149 minus blank equals 109. Same thing, we can just subtract by 109 instead. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 4, 0 is 4. So that's gonna 40 is gonna be your answer for number 2, as 149 minus 40 equals 109. So yeah. All right. Number 7, 513 plus blank equals 695. This problem is different because it's addition, but we're still gonna be using subtraction, and instead we're gonna use the sum, which is 695. Subtract that by 513 to get the difference, which is like we're gonna add up to 695 if we have that answer. So 695 minus 513. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. 6 minus 5 is 1. So if we were to add this up together, double check, 513 plus 182 should equal to 695. So that's going to be your answer for number 7. Number 8, 581 minus blank equals 141. We're going to do the same thing as we did the past 2 problems. So 581 minus 141. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 440 should be your answer for number 8, as 581 minus 440 should equal 141. So 440 is going to be your final answer for number 8. All right, moving on to word problems. This time we're going to just do 1 and 2. Okay, so word problems. Kara wants to order the following numbers: 5,401, 5,623, 5,347, 5,512 from least to greatest. What should she write? From like left to right, it's going to be least to greatest. So it's like the smallest number to the greatest number. As we look at the list, they all start with 5. So we look at the next numbers. So 4, 6, 3, and 5. This number 3,000 or 5,347, that's going to be the lowest number. So we're going to write that first. And then next comes in line is 4. So 5,401. It's going to be the next number. 5,510 or 12. It's going to be the next answer. Lastly, 5,623. So this should be your answer. So 3,000 or 5,347, 5,401, 5,512, and 5,623 is least to greatest. All right, number 2. Hold on, I'm just clear this problem so I can read number 2. So Ben wants to know which numbers can be written as 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 6. What should he write? So this is just basically expanded form, so we can just add up all together to determine like the number of like what is going to be wrote. So let's write over here 5,430 and 6. So this is like each of the places, like ones, tens, hundreds, and the thousands, and so on. So we're going to start off with the ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 0 plus 3. And we can basically, since like all of them have like zeros, we could just drag down the number that like actually has a value. So 4 and 5. So 5,436 should be the number that Ben should write. And that is the final answer for number 2.